Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see the magnetic part of the motor that we have seen in last video. The cell we have designed in the last video. So for that we are going to select the front plane, and what we are going to do, we are going for the sketch and select circle, draw a circle of I think 58 mm, and another circle of 58 mm again, not of 58 mm. Actually we are going for uh, the dimension of I think the 54 will be okay. No, that's not okay. Actually, let's go for 50. Yeah, that's okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select the center rectangle and draw a rectangle over here. And now what we have to do, we have to trim these parts. So for that we are going to select the trim entities. Let's trim these and these two, these, 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 and these, and this one too. So our magnetic part is ready. But what we have to do, I think that's okay. We can leave it like that. Yeah, let's go and extrude this. Extrude up to 50 mm and hit OK. So the magnetic part is ready to be inserted into that, and let's continue our video in next video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.